Hi, it's Jana Eubank with Simple Stories, and I'm here at Scrapbook.com with the Winter Farmhouse Collection. If you love to snuggle up inside during the winter, and scrapbook, of course, you're going to love all the beautiful winter icons in this beautiful collection. This first paper features this adorable cardinal right down here in the corner. Look at the pretty snowflakes just falling gently all around this beautiful floral cluster. On the other side, you have this happy red gingham check that's so trendy right now. Look at the beautiful flowers on this wood grain texture. Isn't that gorgeous? You have the pine cones interspersed with the berries and the sprigs. Love that. The other side is this beautiful yellow floral. This next paper has this beautiful deep green background with the pine cones. On the other side, you have the birch trees or the aspen trees that just reminds you of a winter forest. Again, we have a larger gingham check in that trendy darker color that you see in home decor these days. On the other side, you have this gorgeous floral that looks like it has white poinsettias on it. I love this collection because it's not a Christmas collection, but it has shades of red and green, so you could use it for Christmas if you don't want something with lots of Santa Clauses or Christmas trees on it. This paper has beautiful snowflakes, and I love the little black doodled accents on them that just really help them to pop. This would be a gorgeous background for any project, this white wood grain. I love these snowy pines on this gray wood grain. It kind of feels like you're hanging out at the cabin for the weekend. On the other side is a deep green, tiny Swiss dot pattern. Check out these snow globes in the mason jars. You've got little happy snowmen, the cabins, the sleds, the skis. Just so much fun for winter. On the back of this one is a tiny gingham check in a dark yellow. Look at these cozy cabins enjoying the beautiful winter scene. And then on the other side is a green plaid. Let's take a look at the 2x2 element cards. We have snowmen and snowy pines. Look, there's skates and snow globes. I love the 3x4 element cards, perfect for your pocket scrapbooking. There's places for journaling. You have the skis. Look at this beautiful winter wonderland. The birch logs and the galvanized metal bucket. Feelin' frosty. And how about this, the sleigh rides. All day pass, $1. You have this darling red floral that would be great for layering. And here are the 4x4 elements cards. Again, that friendly snowman saying hello to his cardinal friend. We have places for journaling, and look at this cozy fireplace. You can almost hear the flames crackling now. On the back, we have lots of beautiful winter wreaths. You have the eucalyptus leaves, the berries, and more. Here are the 4x6 element cards. I just love this winter door. It makes me want to come and stomp my boots off and come inside for a cup of hot cocoa. And finally, the back of this paper is this adorable winter plaid. All of these papers are included in the collection kit along with this 12x12 combo sticker sheet, but you can also get the combo cardstock stickers on their own. Along with this collection, you can also purchase the Simple Basics cardstocks that are solid colors that match perfectly with this collection. The other side of the solid papers have a tone-on-tone polka dot, perfect for creating gift bags or using as backgrounds on your layouts. Add embellishments to your project with the gorgeous bits and pieces die cuts. This set comes with several different sayings, little snowflakes, beautiful florals. You've got this cozy fireplace, cozy cabins, and more. Next up is the journal bits and pieces. Lots of great shapes to add journaling to your projects. You can see there are even words and phrases, all things journaling. Grab a cup of hot cocoa. It's time to go through the embellishments. Take a look at the chipboard with the look at this cute mitten swag right here at the top. Isn't that adorable? Again, I love that cheerful snowman saying hello to the cardinal, the window with the wreath. We've got the gingham heart, the boots, so many cute things in this set. Next up are the enamel dots in all the colors of the collection. You've got red and green and blue, this deep yellow and a gray color. I love the paper bow clips. They're perfect for adding the little fluffy bit of dimension. They're really cute on tags, or maybe you want to highlight a special photo. Take a look at the stencil. Those gorgeous snowflakes would make the most beautiful background, maybe with some pearl mist or some white texture paste. You are going to love our 6x8 paper pad because it's perfectly sized to use in the 6x8 snap albums. It's also great for your card making with the smaller scale patterns. You have all the papers in the collection, but you also have these great feature papers that would be fun to frame and use as home decor. In addition to that, we also have 3x4 element cards in this collection, or in this paper pad, that are exclusive to card makers. Snowman kisses and warm winter wishes, you melt my heart, lots of fun, cuddly winter sayings. The mini sticker tablet is a no-brainer if you love to do journaling or planning of any kind. It's also great for your pocket scrapbooking because they're nice and flat and won't add a lot of bulk to your projects. These 12 sticker sheets come all together padded in the tablet, making it nice and easy to take with you when you're traveling as well. Next up are clear stamps. These are so much fun to color in with your pencils and markers that you love to use. There's lots of outlined images for that, but there's also coordinating sentiments like there's snowing like you to go with the snowman, warm winter wishes, let it snow, hello winter, sending warm hugs, feeling frosty, you melt my heart, and cuddle up and stay cozy. To make cutting out the images easy, we have a coordinating set of metal dies. Finally, we have everyone's favorite washi tape. Look at the cute little cozy houses all lined up in a row, the red floral print, and that gorgeous green with the pine cones. That's the Winter Farmhouse Collection. Fight the winter blues, cozy up with this collection, and make some fun projects. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happiness is life handmade.